look. Now I'm going to touch with this. See? Nothing happened. I squeeze it kind of. Nothing happened. Squeeze. It popped because you squeezed it hard. Now let's do it with this. We made a big one. It's going to drop on the ground and make a boom. See? No break. Break. See? I'm going to make it again. We got a tiny one. See? You got? See, nothing happened. Come closer, everybody. See? The telescope is lifting it, but it doesn't want to lift. But then if you pop it, it's going to want to pop. I made a big one. Now, if you bounce it with your foot, it's going to break. Because our foot is hard. Because our contest is for bubbles, so we're learning about bubbles. That's why I'm trying. Come on. Let's try it on the concrete. See? It happened the same thing, but it landed different. If no flaked. Come closer. Follow and look here. Now I touch it with this nicely because it had gravity. Now let's show you again. It's gonna land on the floor. Sometimes it breaks. That's what bubbles are. Sometimes they break, sometimes they don't. We're gonna lift up, see where it goes, and then see it touches, doesn't break, touches, doesn't break. When you touch inside, it breaks. Then you do this again with your finger. If you touch, it breaks because our finger is a little heavy, but this is a kind of light. So the bubble gets big, lands on the stuff because this is light. When we touch it with hard, it's going to break. When you drop it, sometimes it breaks. See? Trying your best is good. I learned this when I was 4, so I just tried some science. So I got this, then I just pour some water and soap, and then I got this, and then tap, tap, I blowed, and then I ran, and then I saw bubbles flowing down. They could happen everywhere. It's fun. Sometimes they don't have fun. See how many pops? Go make a lot of bubbles. I made a lot of bubbles. Whoa. Whoa. Look at the sky. Now look at the ground. That's how it lands on the floor. Now, I made bubbles. Now there's a bubble inside. Let's try to break. No, it doesn't. But now, no. Now, no. You put it inside, but it breaks. When you blow a bubble, it blows, but then it walks. One is so near. Oh, don't land on Oops. Sometimes they need changing. Sometimes they reach near to each other. I think I need more bubble mixture. So I'll show you how to make it. First step is drop the old one. The bubbles are not able to mix. So come with me. Let's pop them first. Come on, let's show you how to do it. First step, you don't throw this away. You do not need a new one. It still works. So, you're going to put this on the table on your home. Have some water. Yeah, that was just a medium making noise. And then you need some dish soap. And then pour in there. We need a lot. Because we're making big bubbles. When you realize, sometimes if you do this, some bubbles come out. You have to mix it. Let me get my mixer over here. You could use anything. I'm just using my toy mixer. You could use a spoon, you could use anything. Or you could use a whisk. Oh, I could use a whisk. Sometimes you could use a whisk or use anything. Now, come on. Let's hold our stew. Sometimes close the door. Whoa. The water fell on me. But dip. You could see dip. Run back. You want to run back? Because we need some space to give him so he can have space. Whoa. I'm done with this. Run. Oh, did you see that? When you run, kind of, bubbles leave. Run! I'm going to run far away from that one because that was a big one. I want them to have a lot of space. So let's do this one on the road and then blur. It breaks. If you don't touch it now, anyway, if you touch, let me go get more. You can look at these ones. I'll just pop one. Okay. And this one is going to stay. The other is not going to pop. So I'll show you one last on the road. And let's see if it's going to be good. Oh, it didn't go. Come on. Let's go again. Oops. Sometimes it doesn't. See? Sometimes it breaks. So, let's kick it with my foot. it in, it has a lot of strongness. It makes bubble like this. Tap, tap, bubble. Tap, tap, bubble. Tap, tap, bubble. Tap, 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 bubble. If you blow it, more big bubbles could blow. See? You need a lot of bubble mixture. And shake it around. And then, I'm going to show you again. See, sometimes it lands. Yeah. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And please try this at home. It's fun to do. It's experiment, and it's nice, and it's fun, and you could pop bubbles while you're doing it. I crumbled mine, and I throw my mixture. So, if you like this video, please do a thumbs up. And thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe.